going to show you how to give your flat, fine hair some oomph when you've only got less than 5 minutes to get ready in the morning. Get yourself a flat iron. Make sure you've put heat protection in your hair. You're going to take some front chunks of your hair, brush that chunk through. You don't have to do it, but honestly, brushing your hair is going to make this entire process go easier, and it's going to make you be more successful. It's going to make your flat iron not get stuck. It's going to make everything smooth. So brush through your section of hair, take your flat iron, and you're going to put your hair in it. You're going to do a half turn, and you're going to pull it across your face in the opposite direction that you want that your hair is going to sit. So you're going to take the chunk, we're going to close the flat iron, do a half turn, and pull it across our face. And then just leave that there. Take another chunk over here, give it a brush so that there's no tangles, it's totally smooth. We are going to get the flat iron in. We are going to close, turn, and pull across our face. And then just repeat on the other side. Same thing. Brush the section, clamp the flat iron, half turn, pull it across your face. Same thing. Brush that section, grab, pull it across your face. And then we're going to take some dry texture spray. Because we have flat hair, we're going to put a little bit in just around the root area so that we can have some volume. Flip our hair, and va-va-voom. Looks like you got a blowout. Took you minutes. Hair looks amazing. You're ready to go. You're ready for the day. Hope that helps.